Meet Lula.
This was a really quick animation and it was done quite crudely. I animated this whole sequence in about 35 minutes and it really doesn't look great when you watch it in its original form. But just by spending a bit of time doing these enhancements in Photoshop, you can really add a lot of value to what is quite a rough piece of animation underneath it all. So you can see what I'm doing here in Photoshop. I've got a couple of faces here that I've painted on, and here's an original image on the left hand side. This is one where I need to put the mouth. Now I've already built this mouth section and the eyelids in layers in Photoshop, and what you can do is select those layers on the picture you've already done. Hold down Shift, drag it across, and they will land in exactly the same position on that image. And then you can just use the position and the rotation to realign and get those pieces in the right place again. Make sure that the whites of the eyes are covered, make sure that the jawline lines up and that the mouth's in the right position. Now, because at this point in the animation she's burping, I, from frame to frame, was slightly moving the tongue placement just to exaggerate that sort of animation as well. You can see here I'm just changing the visibility on all the different layers. You can see I've made a top eyelid for each eye, a bottom eyelid for each eye, a full eyelid for each eye, got a top set of teeth, bottom set of teeth, tongue, everything on a separate layer so everything can be moved independent of each other. And then I just save that as a new JPEG, pull it into Premiere, and it straight away you can change the image and see how it's working together, and you can see that it is quite effective and pretty simple to do. Like I say, you don't need to have a huge amount of skill to do this, and it's something that you can do at home to just add a whole nother layer to your animations. Maybe you want to do some character, but it's a bit daunting doing all of the mouth shapes whilst you're animating as well. Really focus on the performance instead, and then do all that lip syncing afterwards. And Photoshop is a great way to enable you to do that. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you're new here, I'm Tortor, I'm a stop motion animator, and I put out videos related to stop motion animation on this channel. There's a variety of content here, and I try to put out one video a week. If you like what I'm doing, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button on this video, and I'll catch you again in the next one.
Meet Lula. Meet Lula.